Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another episode of Makeup and Chill, where I just show you how I got this eye look. Music, no talk through, very chill, very relaxing, very makeup. Today I'm going to use the highly requested Elf Hot Jalepeño palette. Ooh, it's a good little bite-sized bit of yummy, even though I can't eat jalapenos. They're too hot. Spicy to me is mild to the rest of the world. I like spicy, but it has to be mild. I think it's because I'm Irish. I am also wearing from Kiss the magnetic lashes with the magnetic liner. This is the model Charm, and I am really liking these magnetic lashes. Random update, I did test out the Ardell with the gel pot liner, and the brush that comes with it is just useless. The liner itself is a pretty thick formula. They stayed very, very nicely on, but you really had to have a lot of black liner in order to make that happen. The Ardell also only have 4 magnets, where the Kiss magnetic lashes have 5. I feel like the Kiss stay in place a little bit better, and it is way easier to use a liquid liner than the formula of this particular gel pot liner. They worked. I think I like the Kiss better. So there's your mini review. If you would like to see how I got this eye look, keep on watching. Take care of each other. Let's make up and chill.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.